Welcome to speech enhancement course. In this video we will see what is speech enhancement and we'll see the applications of speech enhancement. Mainly we will see what are the applications of single channel speech enhancement. Why? Because the total course covers the single channel speech enhancement algorithms only. Right. Single channel speech enhancement means we are recording the noisy speech by using a single microphone and only one signal is available for you. You have to process that one signal and you have to reduce the noise and obtain the enhanced speech signal from that single noisy speech signal only. That is nothing but single channel speech enhancement. So that thing we'll see in the next slide. And coming to here, speech enhancement aims to improve the speech quality of the corrupted or noisy speech. Here the term quality indicates to improve the speech signal power or to reduce the noise content. Here the quality indicates noise free, right? And reducing the additive noise in digital telephony, vehicle communication and aircraft communication is nothing but speech enhancement. And reduction of interfering backgrounds and interfering speaker sounds for the hearing impaired listeners. And also the other way of speech enhancement is increase the intelligibility. Intelligibility means upon listening the corrupted speech signal, how many words you are going to understand from the actual words, right? Suppose 100 words are heard by you. Out of 100 words, if you understand 90 words, then the intelligibility is 9, right? So but overall we will see here the speech enhancement main thing is to improve the quality, that is to reduce the noise, and to increase the intelligibility, that is to make understand all the words present in the sentence, that is speech enhancement. And coming to the applications of speech enhancement related to the single channel speech enhancement, see the first application is mobile phones, where suppose a person is speaking in the crowd, right, the other end user cannot have much effect of this crowd in the actual speech what it is communicated, right? To have that one, we have to use the speech enhancement, that is to reduce, we have to reduce the crowd noise and you have to increase the speech which is communicated by this person, so that the other end user can hear the actual speech signal without much discomfort, right? So in mobile phones is the main application of speech enhancement, and hands-free phones, machine to human interface here, and hearing aids and personal assistants, home automation and robots. So in all these applications we are going to use the speech enhancement algorithms. These are related to the single channel speech enhancement. So when I am talking about the multi-channel speech enhancement, suppose you want to transmit the session going on in a big auditorium to some place, right? So what we are doing is there is a big auditorium, that's why uh, the speech the speech is going to be captured by different microphones which placed at different places, right. So here we have different microphones are available at different places of the auditorium, and those capture the same signal, right. So we are using the more number of signals here, right? Not a single signal we are using for the enhancement. Here we are using the 3 or 4 signals which are recorded at the same time by 3 different microphones, right. So that is multi-channel speech enhancement, right. So our course mainly discuss this single channel speech enhancement algorithms, right. Thank you.